Today I'm checking out this pocket knife that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. First thing, of course, I noticed out of the box is it comes with this little case here. It's like a semi-rigid case. I like cases. I don't know what it is, but I just like stuff that comes in cases. And it did come with this nice little case. It has like a little mesh pocket here, and then it's just open with a felt lining. I really like the feel of this knife. It's got a composite kind of molded handle, which I really like. And it just feels the right, I don't know, balance in the hand. Real simple. So we'll come back to this. It does come with a little manual. It even comes with this little cleaning cloth, so that's cool. These are just some little papers here that were in the case. All right, so for me, what I like in an everyday carry pocket knife, because I take a pocket knife everywhere. From when I wake up in the morning and get dressed to when at night I'm getting undressed, I have a pocket knife with me. They're great little defense tools if you need one, but really, when this thing comes out of my pocket, which will probably be multiple times a day, it's to cut open boxes or cut a piece of rope or to fix something like strip some wires. It's really a tool and probably one of my most used tools that I have. So I love having an everyday carry knife. I probably have 10 of them on the shelf for when I get dressed, because when I find a knife that I really like, I just keep it there and use it all the time. So the first thing it's going to have is a clip like this for me for my pocket. Either in my blue jean pockets or maybe cargo pants, it's going to have a clip. And this is a nice, sturdy clip here. Doesn't move back and forth easy. Doesn't feel like something that's going to let it slip out of my pocket. So I really like that. I like the fact that it has this little clip here. And only because, like, let's say I go kayaking, or if I'm fishing, which is when I usually use something like this, I might put a little lanyard on a good pocket knife so that way I don't lose it or drop it in the water, which sadly has happened to many of my everyday carry knives. So they're at the bottom of the ocean or the bay or a lake somewhere. So this is nice. It's not on all knives, and you'll miss it when you actually use this. Not everybody does, but I do. One unique thing I found about this knife, I like the easy open knives. That's just a given. But instead of it having a push tab here, which I'm actually pretty used to, this one has a little push button here to close it. It's very smooth. I really like how smooth that is. It opens and closes really smooth. It's got this nice flip tab for your thumb on the blade, if you're used to opening it that way, or the quick flip, whatever this is called on the back. I don't know. I just use them to flip it open quickly, and it does really well. It's not spring loaded, so it's not something that's springing out. So if you have laws against spring loaded knives, this is not one of them, but it opens super easy. So I really like that. The blade, it's a nice straight blade, no serrated edges. So if you're not a fan of serrated pocket knives, well, this one's a nice straight blade. And it looks like it is also molded and crafted well. This has got like a texture to it. Also really nice. Grip wise, I feel like I'd hold on to this with no problem. It's not a smooth, slippery knife. Even if my hands were, sticky or slippery with fish guts or whatever, this would really be easy to hold on to. So I like that. I appreciate that in a knife. Because again, these things are my most used tools. Everyone in the family is like, hey, Brandon, where's your knife? I need to open this. And I've always got a knife, and they know I do. I really like this one. I'm pretty impressed with just the overall feel. I really like the balance. I don't know. It's kind of in that perfect range for me when it comes to weight. Some knives are just kind of heavy and they almost feel like they're made of cheap steel or something. This one feels nice. Now with my everyday carry knives, I probably wouldn't be skinning a deer or anything like that. But what I would probably be doing is cutting open boxes. Of course, you can cut the tape. Just look. Very sharp, right out of the box. Cuts that easy. Let's just try this bag. Just nothing. Really sharp blade right out of the box and cuts well. Everything that I'm looking for in an everyday carry knife. So yeah, I do really like this one. I think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.